Okay, so we are headed into Key Largo, and I'm very, very excited because we're going to go see The African Queen. That's my favorite movie with Humphrey Bogart, and this was on my bucket list, so I'm very excited, and I can't wait to get there.
Yeah, I first planned this trip because I knew she was such a big fan of the movie, and
Yeah, I've probably seen this movie 40 times since I was like 10 years old.
yeah, that's all I hear about is African Queen, Humphrey Bogart, Katharine Hepburn, can't forget her.
So KJ, did you know the African Queen was built in England in 1912, but it didn't come over to the U.S. until 1992?
Oh, I didn't know that.
And it was added to the U.S. National Register of Historical Places to visit.
And we are here.
Oh my God! I'm like, you know, I feel like it's crazy. I'm like, okay, all right. You want to come down here now?
Sure.
No, not Audrey Hepburn. You can't have that. Why do I always do that?
This is awesome for her. Thank you, man. Appreciate it very much. We come back without the RV, we got to do the cruise.
I know. Get my picture.
It's what, like, it's a 2-hour cruise, right? Hour and a half? Look at this.
I was going to show you real quick.
I know they all got sick after filming, or during some of it.
Yeah.
Okay, right
Dysentery, right?
Yeah.
there. See that there?
Yep.
There's right there. They don't get it all authenticated.
Right underneath that fuel filter?
Yeah, and actually on both sides are similar.
Look at that.
Wow.
There's all same
Are you
room.
Humphrey?
I'm a movie fan.
One extraordinary adventure.
Oh, yeah. I'll bet you they didn't have a two-way radio. So is that a 2-cylinder engine?
Yeah.
Look at that.
I know.
So an external combustion engine then. Look at that. Oh, it is steam.
Yeah, it's steam.
Okay.
You didn't see the movie. Okay, did you get the
Diesel fuel fires it. Yeah, you lift it up a little.
Diesel fuel fire is it?
Oh, you got it. Like a little kid. Got it?
Yes, darling. We got a lot of good video for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yep.
God. You get crazy people like me all the time.
Yeah, I get some enthusiastic people.
We're gonna get some advertising for you. Probably be a bunch of alcoholics because that's what follows us. Do you? So they can bring their cocktails on board, can they? Oh, really? Wow. Well, it's phenomenal for you, and I'm glad we're doing it.
I wasn't in Charlie.
So they restored this in England, did they, or?
Restored a fan, but it's 79% original. Time.
Right.
This boiler was built in 2012. The engine came over from Ireland. It was built in 1896. Came off a steam-powered tractor. It's from Sisson Motor Company. And like I said, the bones of the boat are what it was. I mean, it was a metal boat, and they patched up where they patched up over the years. A lot of the wood's original. Some, like the gunnel wood is pretty original. Bow wood is.
Yeah.
The deck wood.
She's sitting on the African Queen, ladies and gentlemen. This has been on Debbie's bucket list. I guess I'm gonna have to watch the movie now.
I can't believe you never watched.
I'm sorry, Charlie.
1998, the American Film Institute marked The African Queen the 17th greatest movie of all time.
Wowza.
The African Queen sank and had to be raised twice during the filming of the movie.
Yeah. And dialogue. Right. That is really well.
Although she didn't like that they all drank and everybody.
Yeah, I actually read her book.
Yeah.
That's overdone.
Yeah.
She was actually a drinker too. Yeah, she wasn't a heavy drinker. They like to make low things out.
Yeah.
So if we come back, when are the tours? What time are tours?
10, 12, 2, and 4.
10, 12, 2, and 4. So you're waiting now for the 12.
Yeah, actually I have a couple people at 12. So.
Okay.
We don't have to make an appointment. Just come back.
Yeah, you don't have to. You have to be here like a good 15 minutes ahead of time. You got to sign a waiver.
Right.
Well, it just a lot of times, like I'll leave, I'll start. If people get here, I'll start right now. And
Right.
Then,
Oh, I gotcha. Okay.
I'm not strict with okay, it's 12 months.
Yeah, that's good to know.
And then if you are, coming a little later, I'll wait, or whatever.
So what's the last time you take it out? What time?
4.
Way cool.
And there's days I don't do any, and yesterday I did 3.
As of today, she is 108 years old.
Wow, that's pretty dang old.
Yes, it is. And do you know that Humphrey Bogart won his first Oscar for Best Actor for this movie?
I did not know that.
Yeah, imagine that.
Since I never watched the movie, but I have now since, and I really liked it. So I recommend it to anybody. It's really a great movie with great dialogue. And I'll tell you what, the actors and actresses in this movie actually make you believe in their part.
Prettiest place I've ever been to. I'd like to come back here someday.
And so do we.
Oh, dookie water. That's some bad water to be rinsed.
You should have said, Debbie, look out.
I was filming. I wasn't even looking at you. Because you'll want to know where we parked and how we parked. We kind of stole parking. Anybody else, when you come here, park in this parking lot. Don't do like us numbskulls, which is like that. Don't do that. Okay, Debbie is half pee.